This is going to be the vending machine at Cape Canaveral Medical Building, or Cape Canaveral Hospital in Cocoa Beach, Florida.
And it's got a touch screen. It says touch. And you wanted the chocolate drink, which is number 103.
Yep, 103.
And it says 103. And it'll tell me it's $2.75.
Oh. This might not be the best video, but...
There we go. Can we hold it?
Yeah.
There we go. Coins, bills. Wait, make sure it takes, yep. It says count cash inserted, so it's counting your change. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it? Okay. Okay, 275. And it goes up. It gets your shape.
Oh, come on, get it out. Oh.
And it thinks about it. And
I thought it wasn't going to get...
yeah, I thought it was going to get stuck there too.
Okay.
And see what you got.
Got this.
This is a Fairlife Protein Core Power High Protein Milkshake.
Alright, so
That's it.
That's it, and goodbye.
Don't forget to like.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And ring that bell. Bye.